Hello children, this is 7th standard maths in your part 2 textbook, chapter 11, perimeter and area. In the first part of this chapter, we have studied the formulas to find the perimeter and area of square, rectangle, parallelogram, triangle and circle. Today, based on those formulas, we will apply those formulas to certain problems and we shall solve it. So today, let us solve the first exercise of this chapter, perimeter and area, that is exercise 11.1. So we shall go to the first question, children. The length and the breadth of a rectangular piece of land are 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. Find its area and the cost of the land if 1 meter square of the land costs rupees 10,000. So children, here the length and the breadth measurement is given of the rectangular piece of land. So there is a land and the land is in the shape of a rectangle. So the length and breadth of the rectangular piece of land is given such that length will be equal to 500 meter and breadth will be equal to 300 meter. What is the first question, children? We need to find out the area. So we know that area of a rectangle is given by the formula area. Let us represent it as A equal to L into B, where L is the length and B is the breadth. Now substitute the values. We have 500 into 300. Therefore, on further simplification, first multiply 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. Afterwards, count the number of zeros, children. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write here those number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Therefore, we will get the area, that is equal to 1,50,000 meter square. The area is expressed in terms of meter square because in the problem the unit is in meter. So answer will be meter square. Area. Therefore, area is equal to 1,50,000 meter square. First part is over. Now we have to solve the second part. Find the cost of the land if 1 meter square of the land costs rupees 10,000. So children, 1 meter square area of the land, it costs rupees 10,000. Okay, now we have to find out what is the cost of 1,50,000 meter square land. It is the question mark. So, 1 meter square area of the land costs rupees 10,000. Now we have to calculate then 1,50,000 meter square area, what is the cost? So, this is the method. In the next step, children, we shall cross multiply this. So, when we cross multiply 1,50,000 into 10,000 divided by 1. Therefore, on cross multiplication, we have multiplied 1,50,000 into 10,000. Now, write the number 15 as it is. Okay, since we have zeros, we will write 1 and 5 as it is. Then count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros are there. So let us write here. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros are there. Therefore, we will obtain this answer. So, after the 3 digits, put a comma so that we will get so much rupees for the cost of the land, and this is the method. First, we need to apply the formula of the area of the rectangle, that is A equal to L into B. After that, we need to find out the cost of the land. That is, for 1 meter square, the cost is rupees 10,000. Then, for 1,50,000 meter square, area, how much is the rupees? Therefore, after simplification, this will be the answer. Now, look into the second question, children. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. Therefore, perimeter of the square park will be equal to 320 meter. Now, the park is in the shape of a square. So, we need to find out the area of the square park. But the given data is only the perimeter of the square park, that is 320 meter. To find the area of the square park, children, area of the square is equal to side into side. But in this, perimeter is given. So, through the perimeter, we will find out the side measurement. Then we will apply the area of the square formula. So, we know that perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. So, perimeter is equal to 4 into side. The value of the perimeter is equal to 320 equal to 4 into side. Now, we want the measurement of the side. Then, it will be 320 divided by 4 because it is 4 into side. While coming to the left side, it will become 320 by 4 equal to side. In the next step, children, 320 by 4. So, 4 ones are 4, 4 8s are 32, and here you have 0. Therefore, the side will be equal to 80 meter. Therefore, side is equal to 80 meter. Now, we can find out the area of the square park. That is, area of a square is equal to side into side. Therefore, we got the value of the side, that is equal to 80. So, 80 into 80. Now, let us multiply 8 into 8. 8 8s are 64. Count the number of zeros. We have 2 zeros right here. Therefore, 6400 meter square will be the area of the square park. After that, right here. Therefore, the answer of the area of a square park is equal to 6400 meter square. The side measurement is 80 meter and area will be equal to 6400 meter square. Next, we shall solve the third problem, children. Find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land. If its area is 440 meter square and the length is 22 meter, also find its perimeter. Therefore, in the given problem, we need to find out the breadth and perimeter of rectangular plot of land. Given its area, that is equal to 440 meter square, the length is given with 22 meter. Therefore, the land is in the shape of a rectangle. So, the length and the area measurement is given. We need to find out breadth and perimeter. Therefore, since the area of the rectangular piece of land is given, therefore, we can apply the area formula so that we will get the answer for the breadth. Therefore, area of a rectangle A is equal to L into B, where A is the area, L is the length, B is the breadth. Area is given with the measurement 440 meter square equal to length measurement is 22 into breadth is B. Now we want the measurement of breadth B. That will be equal to 440 divided by 22. Now, on further simplification, 440 by 22, children. 440 by 22 goes by 11. 11 2s are 22. 11 4s are 44. 0. Therefore, we have 40 by 2 equal to B. Then 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. Then 0. Therefore, breadth measurement will be equal to 20 meter. Children, now we have to find out the perimeter of a rectangular plot of land. To find the perimeter, we have the formula 2 into L plus B. Therefore, in the next step, 2 into value of length. Measurement is 22 plus breadth, that is equal to 20. Therefore, 2 into 22 plus 20, we will get the answer that will be equal to 42. 22 plus 20, it will be equal to 42. Therefore, in the next step, 2 into 42. So, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Therefore, 84 meter will be the answer for the perimeter. Therefore, children, in the third problem, the breadth measurement is equal to 20 meter, in which we have applied the formula area is equal to length into breadth. Then the perimeter value is equal to 84 meter. We have used the formula perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B, and this is the method to solve the third problem. The perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. If the length is 35 centimeter, find its breadth and area. Therefore, the perimeter value is given, that is equal to 100 centimeter. Then, length is given with a measurement 35 centimeter. We need to find out breadth and area. So, now in this problem, the perimeter value is given. Using the perimeter of a rectangular formula, we will find out the breadth value. Therefore, so the perimeter value is 2 into L plus B. Now the perimeter measurement is given, that is equal to 100 equal to 2 into the value of length is given, that is equal to 35 plus B. So in the next step, children, 100, we have in the right side 2 into 35 plus B. So let us take this 2 to the left side. Therefore, it will be divided by 2, since we have multiplication 2 into 35 plus B. Therefore, 100 by 2 is equal to 35 plus B. Now when we simplify 100 by 2, children, 2 1s are, 2 5s are 10, and write the 0. Therefore, 50 is equal to 35 plus B. Now we need the value of B, that is breadth. Therefore, it will be equal to 50. We have 35 on the right side, while 35, while coming to the left side, it will be minus 35. Therefore, children, 50 minus 35, 10 minus 5 is 5, then it will be 4, 4 minus 3, it is 1. Therefore, children, we have breadth value equal to 15. Therefore, breadth B is equal to 15 centimeter, because in the question the unit is given in terms of centimeter. Therefore, the answer will also be in centimeter. Therefore, the breadth measurement is 15 centimeter. This is the breadth measurement. Now, we need to find out the area of the rectangular sheet. We know the area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. On substituting the values of length and breadth, children, we got the length is already given, that is 35 into breadth is 15. Therefore, 35 into 15. So, children, 35 into 15. Let us multiply. 5 5s are 25, 2 is remaining. 5 3s are 15, plus 2, it is 17. 1 5s are 5, 1 3s are 3. Therefore, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, 1, carry on. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, it will be 5. Therefore, children, area will be equal to 525 centimeter square. Since we have in centimeter, the unit will be in centimeter square. So in this fourth problem, children, we got the answer, the value for the breadth, that will be equal to 15 centimeter, and the area of the rectangular sheet is equal to 525 centimeter square. Breadth and area answers, and this is the method. From the perimeter, we have found out the breadth and area by using the formula A equal to L into P. This is the method, and these are the answers. Now we shall move on to the fifth problem. The fifth problem, the perimeter of a rectangle is 130 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter value is given with 130 centimeter. If the breadth of the rectangle is 30 centimeter, in this problem, the breadth of the rectangle is given with a measurement 30 centimeter. Now we have to find out length and area of the rectangle. Since the value of the perimeter is given in the question, children, we will apply the perimeter formula. We know that the perimeter of a rectangle is given by 2 into L plus B. Therefore, on substituting the values of perimeter and breadth, we have perimeter value given by 130 is equal to 2 into, we need to find out the value of length plus breadth measurement is 30. Therefore, in the next step, it will be 130 by 2 equal to L plus 30. 130 by 2, it goes by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 6s are 12. 13 minus 12, 1 is remaining. So, it will be 10. So, 2 how much are 10 children? 2 5s are 10. Therefore, 65 is equal to L plus 30. Now, we need the value of length. That will be equal to 65 plus 30. While coming to the left side, it becomes minus 30. Therefore, 65 minus 30. 5 minus 0, it will be 5. 6 minus 3, it is 3. Therefore, children, the value of the length is equal to 35 centimeter. We shall write it here. 35 centimeter is the answer for the value of length. Now we need to find out the area of the rectangle. To find the area of the rectangle, we have the formula area is equal to L into B. That is, area is equal to length into breadth. We have found out the value of the length, that is 35 centimeter into breadth is already given in the problem, that is 30. Now, when we simplify 35 into 30, 0 5s are 0, 0 3s are 0, 3 5s are 15, 1 is remaining, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1, it is 10. Therefore, 0, 5, 0, 1. Therefore, the answer for the area is 1050 centimeter square will be the answer. Therefore, area is equal to 1050 centimeter square is the answer. Therefore, the length value is equal to 35 centimeter. Using the formula, perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. Then we got the area of the rectangle has the answer 1050 centimeter square by using the formula area is equal to length into breadth. Hope this is clear, children. Thank you.